What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I want to talk about what is the best business to start online in 2019. I get asked this question all the time, and I get it. You're watching videos on YouTube, you're trying to figure out how to make money online, and there's all this stuff going on. Do this method, do that method. This one makes you more money, this one doesn't make you more money. And it can get confusing, and what happens is you go and follow all of these different methods, and you try this method, try that method, and then in the end, you don't actually end up doing anything and making any money because you get sidetracked by the next best thing. And a great example of that is a friend of mine right now. He's trying to start his own business online, and he hit me up yesterday and said, I'm going to go and try and focus on Bitcoin because the price is rising right now. I said, do not do that. Focus on your own business. So that's what we're going to talk about today, guys. What should you go for? What should you start so you can make consistent money online and actually get this online thing to work? Because I do understand that it can be frustrating and it can be hard to get the ball rolling and get that snowball effect and start to make money online. I'm going to jump straight into this, but before we actually talk about the methods, there's a few things we need to focus on first that you need to do before you even think about what method you're going to do online. So there's a few pointers here. First of all, we need to think about cash flow. You want to start something online that's going to produce cash flow for you. I know that's an obvious thing. You want money coming in. You obviously want to make money. But the problem is a lot of people don't really understand cash flow, and they just go and waste all of this money on the wrong methods that don't bring in good, consistent cash flow. Now, cash flow doesn't mean cash that you can use to go out and buy nice things and stuff like that. Obviously, you want to pay yourself, you want to buy some nice things, but you also want cash flow so you can reinvest back into your business, okay? You want to keep reinvesting back in, whether it to be into paid ads or just expanding your business. You need cash flow to do that. And the second thing that I look for, guys, is it passive? Will this business end up being passive? Will I end up just making money in the long run without actually putting in a lot of work? That's another thing I look at when I decide to start something online. And the next thing, guys, is low capital. You don't want to be putting in a lot of money at the start, because I know that a lot of people don't have a lot of money to start a business for a start. But second of all, you don't want to go and put in all this money and then it doesn't work, or you decide that this isn't for you. So the number three thing is you want to have something that doesn't require a lot of capital up front. I'm talking like thousands of dollars, right? You don't want to be spending $20,000, $30,000 on a business if you can't afford to actually do that. So now what I want to do, guys, is go through some actual methods, and some of them I am heavily involved in. One of them I don't really know much about. We're going to talk about it anyway, and I'm going to explain to you what they are and kind of like the pros and cons. So business method number one, I know a lot of you guys have heard about this. It's kind of blowing up. It's been blowing up for quite a few years now, and that is drop shipping. Now, the thing about drop shipping. Now, if you don't know what drop shipping is when you go and you advertise a product on Facebook, Pinterest, Google, and someone purchases the product from you, and then you contact your supplier overseas and they send the product to that person so you don't touch it. Now, the good thing about drop shipping, guys, is obviously for that reason, you don't need to pay for any product up front. So that's a really good thing about drop shipping. However, you do need quite a bit of capital up front because you need money for ads, and it does take a while to get the ball rolling and for you to test products. Now, I recommend you need at least $2,000, $1,000 to $2,000, but if you have $2,000 or more to jump into something like this, then you are off to a good start. But just remember that drop shipping does require capital to start. And I think that's where a lot of people kind of get lost with drop shipping, because they think that, like everyone says, hey, you don't need any money, which you don't for the products, but you do need money for the traffic. Now, another thing about drop shipping, guys, that I don't necessarily like, but that's just part of the game, is dropshipping isn't really passive. You're not, you have to go out and run ads and stuff to get traffic, and you have to keep doing it consistently. Now, later on, it might get a bit more passive when you have an email list and a customer base, but that's not going to last forever either. So you constantly need to keep running ads to regenerate those customer sources so you can keep making money. So dropshipping isn't really passive. Now, it could become passive if you run a team, but the likelihood of that happening is pretty slim, because it's very hard to run a team 100% without being involved in any type of business. Now, the next one we're going to be talking about, guys, is Amazon FBA, and I'm pretty much not really going to say much about this because I don't really know anything about Amazon FBA. I've never been involved with Amazon FBA, but as far as I know, correct me if I'm wrong, you buy a bunch of products, you send them to a fulfillment center, and Amazon sells it all for you and sends it out. The problem with that, once again, you need a lot of capital. And what I've been hearing from friends of mine that do this is they go and buy a lot of products, they go and send it to the Amazon fulfillment centers, they go and put it on Amazon, and products don't rank because it's a ranking system, an algorithm, and they've got all those products sitting there. So they're already in the hole, they're already in debt because they can't sell these products. So Amazon FBA, I'm gonna just push that aside because that's not a very good business model for beginners in my opinion, but there are people making really good money online with Amazon FBA. Now the next one we're gonna talk about, guys, is affiliate marketing. Now if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, guys, it's when you take somebody else's product and you promote that for a commission. Now, we're just going to touch on this briefly because you probably already know what affiliate marketing is, but most companies do affiliate marketing. Travel companies, they all do affiliate marketing. It's a great way to go out there and promote someone else's product. Now, don't get affiliate marketing confused with a pyramid scheme. I always get people telling me affiliate marketing is a pyramid scheme. A pyramid scheme is when there is someone at the top and there is levels. So and the person keeps making money from everybody down the level. Affiliate marketing, there's only one level. There's you're promoting a product, and then you get a commission. The other person doesn't get a commission. So a pyramid scheme, guys, is completely different to general affiliate marketing. Now the good thing about affiliate marketing, guys, is there's low capital. You can start a YouTube channel and you can put affiliate marketing links in the description. It's completely free. You can start a blog for a few dollars per month and you can get free organic Google traffic. So the good thing about affiliate marketing is a really low barrier to entry, and really low capital. Now, if you do want to get into advertising with affiliate marketing, you can, but that comes back to putting in quite a bit of money into advertising costs, so that becomes par with dropshipping on that level. But essentially, there is really low capital in this, and you can start dropshipping for next to nothing, even free in a lot of cases. Now, what I love most about affiliate marketing is it becomes really passive, almost completely passive. So for example, if you start a blog and let's say you put a lot of work in the first 6 months, and then you don't have to put so much work in after that 6 months or a year or whatever, it becomes passive because all that content you created is still on the internet. If you have a YouTube channel, your content is still there. If you start a blog, your content is still there. So that, a lot of people say to me, Franklin, why don't you focus on, advertising, which I do in a lot of my businesses. When it comes to affiliate marketing, I don't really focus on advertising because I don't need to. I'm focused on the organic traffic and creating so much organic traffic that it becomes fully passive and I don't have to work on it as much anymore. Now, another great thing about affiliate marketing, guys, is nothing really ever changes. So affiliate marketing has been around since the 90s and 2000s and stuff, and nothing really changes. The concept is simple. You take someone else's product, you promote it for a commission. It's so different to a lot of other things. When you have drop shipping, things change. You can lose suppliers, your store can have problems with your store, drop shipping changes, advertising costs gets more expensive. Some products are not trending anymore than they were like a few weeks ago. Drop shipping changes all the time. And Amazon FBA, there are a lot of problems with that as well, as far as I've been told. But with affiliate marketing, it really never changes. It hardly ever changes. The concept stays the same. So when you buy an affiliate marketing course, it's not going to get outdated. Or when the method just doesn't really get outdated. It all works the same and doesn't change. Now, we're going to go back to what is the best method out of these, but I do have one more method I want to talk about, and that method is day trading. So day trading is when you go and you trade on the stock market, penny stocks and stuff like that every single day. And you short sell, you bet against the company going down. You can also bet that the company is going to go up and you make a profit if they go up. Now, the thing about day trading, guys, it's not really a legitimate business. I kind of tell people to do it as a side hustle because with day trading, right, you have to put in a lot of research. You have to research the companies you are working on, trying to get into the stocks with them. So before you buy stocks, before you decide if you're going to short sell them or not, or bet with them, you need to research that company. I actually invested in some stocks a few days ago. I did 2 weeks worth of research on this company, right? You need to do a lot of research with day trading, and essentially day trading is just gambling. If you don't know what you're doing, you're just putting money in and hoping you're going to get a return, and it doesn't always happen. So day trading, in my opinion, is not safe for a full-time living unless you're an expert. I'm not saying that day trading is bad. Plenty of people have become millionaires from it and they make a lot of money. However, if you're a beginner, I would recommend you stay away from day trading and go into something that's a lot less volatile and doesn't require a lot of capital and becomes passive. So what is the best business to start online, guys? Well, that would be affiliate marketing, because It's low capital, right? It becomes passive. Nothing really ever changes, and it's not volatile. Like, it's not like day trading where things go up and down and you've got to do all this kind of research. Now, what I will say with affiliate marketing, guys, right? So that is the #1 method I recommend for beginners. But what I will say is there is quite a bit of work to put up front. So it really depends on what traffic methods you go down, but there's a lot of free traffic methods, YouTube, blogging, you can go on forums and stuff like that, which is how I started, and go and learn about affiliate marketing. But once you've put in all the hard work and you've got all the traffic coming in, it essentially becomes really passive. And one thing I love about affiliate marketing is you can promote products that have a monthly recurring commission. So it builds up and up and up. When you're doing dropshipping, when you stop traffic, when you stop doing dropshipping, your money stops unless you have a subscription service. When you're doing day trading, the money stops. When you stop Amazon FBA, all your products run out, the income stops. With affiliate marketing, guys, if I've got a blog that I haven't touched in 2 to 3 years, it still makes me around about $2,000 per week. It's not one of my main blogs, but it still makes me around about $2,000 per week from doing absolutely nothing, because I built that up and it became completely passive. And that's why affiliate marketing has come such a long way and doesn't really change, because the concept is always the same and nothing changes. So you can start a blog and then in 5 or 6 years time still make money, and same with a YouTube channel. And what you can also do, guys, is you can interact list building with affiliate marketing. So you can also build an email list, and then you can go and promote stuff to this email list every day or every week when new affiliate marketing products come out, or new products come out and you're an affiliate marketer for them, and you can make money with that too. Then once your list is built, guys, you can start a course on affiliate marketing, or you can start a course on something else if you have any skills in that, and you can promote that to your list, and you can make money as well with courses via the list that you've built up with affiliate marketing. So in my opinion, guys, and from all my years of experience working online, my #1 go-to, if I was a complete beginner to making money online, would be go with affiliate marketing. Now, if you want to know how to make money with affiliate marketing, some more advanced training, I'll leave some videos up on the screen that are completely free for you to watch. You can go and click them, and I'll leave a playlist, because obviously I can't fit it all in this one video. And you can go through that playlist step by step, and I teach you how to start your own affiliate marketing business. Now remember to tap that subscribe button, guys. Give this video a like, and I'll see you in the next video.